Evaluate log 8 base 5. Okay, log 8 base 5 plus log 9 base 5 minus log 2 base 5. We are asked to evaluate this. Okay, now according to law of logarithm, log a base b plus log c base b is equals to log ac base b. You understand? And so for this, please pay attention. For this, I'm going to have log 8 times 9 base 5. Do you understand? Because according to the law of logarithm, the sum of a log is the product of that log. Are you getting it? Now, according to law of logarithm again, the difference of a log, log a minus log c, log a minus log c. Okay, let's put base b. That will be what? Log a over c base b. Do you understand? Log a minus log c is equals to log a over c base b. So that means that, please pay attention. Do you get it? Do you know what I did? Log 8 plus log 9 base 5 can be written as log 8 times 9. Now, the minus here will change to division. You understand? Those are basic laws of logarithm. So if you didn't understand that, you've got to learn it. Check the link in the description of this video. Do you get it? Okay, so 2 year 1, 2 year 4. 4 times 9 is what? 36. So I have log 36 base 5. Log 36 base 5. Now, 36 can be written as 6 raised to the power of 2, you know. So I'm going to have log 6 raised to the power of 2 base 5 will be equals to, now, the log of a power is the product of that power and the log, right? That is, if you have log a raised to the power of c base b, this is equals to c log a base b. Do you understand? So the same thing I'm going to do here. I'm going to have 2 log 6 base 5. Now, let us look at the correct option. Option A, we have 2 log 2 base 5. Option B, 2 log 3 base 5. Option C, 2 log 6 base 5. Option D, 2 log 7 base 5. Option E, 2 log 9 base 5. The correct option is 2 log 6 base 5. Option C is correct. Do you understand how I solved this question? Do you understand? Listen to the explanation again. The sum of a log is the product of that log. So if I have log 8 base 5 plus log 9 base 5, it can be written as log 8 times 9 base 5. You understand? And because I have minus here, I'm going to divide it by 2. You get it? So I have divided by 2 here. Do you understand? So 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 can be written as 6 raised to the power of 2. So I replace 36 as 6 raised to the power of 2. And according to laws of logarithm, the log of a power is the product of that power and the log. So these two will multiply the log 6 base 5. So that's why I have this. And the correct option to that question is option C.